Hi everyone, I hope you are fine and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So we have started the module number 6, which is all about the Toolpath Simulation, and we have covered the advanced simulation features, error and collision detection, and the last topic today we are going to start, which is part inspection method. So this is also very interesting topic and latest thing to inspect the model. So let's get started. So this is the previous model which we had discussed about the gauges and collision. And today what we are going to do is we just have to study about the part inspection. So probably the word being used in the PowerMill to inspect the part is called the probe. So whenever you have to create an inspection or the probe, you are going to use a tool which is called the probe. And the toolbar is called the probe tool. So the purpose of probe toolbar is to check your surface, check your model, whether the design or the model is being created perfectly, accurately according to the size and dimensions given by the designer or given by the model. So we have to check it. So there is a machine which is called the CNC, which is also known as coordinate measuring machine. So that standard machine is also a CNC machine, and to which we can go and program. And the programming is going to be done using the Autodesk Power. So here we have a part which consists of 3D pockets, and we have length, width, and thickness of that part. So we can go and check this part by applying the probe toolpath strategy. So let's get started. So what we have here is just I'm going to hide the toolpath, and now I just go and create a tool which is called the probe. So I just go and click on this thing which is called inspection probe, and I'll write the probe which is named as pre-embedded probe. So this type of probe, you have to find out the customer or the machine you have purchased from the vendor. You have to check it, what type of probe is being given to you. Or I can say that the style strip diameter. So I just consider that the style strip diameter is 3 mm. So here I just go and write it 3. Then it's going to be set it up this 10, which holds the probe. So just go and click on the add stamp component. I just make it the length. Okay. So the diameter is going to be 3 mm. That's okay. So click close and start. So the probe is going to be look like that. So it has a red pointer, which is going to be touched to the surface and get the measurement. So let's get to this. So just go and click on the toolpath and you will find out the probes at the end. So this probing is going to be the strategy. So we have to inspect the surface or any surface you are going to select it. So just go and click on the surface inspection, and the surface inspection strategy is going to be open. I just go and write out surface inspection where PG. Okay, so I just named the toolpath. Go to the toolpath tools. We add the 3mm probe. Let's go and click on the surface inspection. And what you want is you want the tolerance value. So just go and write the tolerance value 0.05 and negative 0.05. If you want to set up the offset, you can also set up the offset for the probe. If you consider that there is some material on that thing, you can just go and set up the offset. But right now, there is no such material available that's 0, size. So I just set it, the offset value 0.0. So the main thing in the surface inspection strategy is all about the pattern. So we have to create pattern. Whatever the size, whatever the geometry you see, we have to create patterns. By clicking on the points, you can just go and select the point. You want to create some pattern like the geometries, like the curves. You can also do this. But first thing first, we can just go and click on the points and select the points. So I just select the point, click on the editor, and we will find out some points over here. So I just go and select these points, and I'll go and select the points when I just click on the surface. So for example, I want to check it from this side. So I just point out over here. Just go and click on the instrument. This will be, I need that thing. I just want to check the, what we call the inside this one and inside this one. Then I have to check it this face and this face. Then I have to check it from this side, guys, this side, this side. Then I have to check it from this side, Then I have to select this side and this. So I check the surface from this way, this way, this way, and this way. So these are what we call the point. On these points, the probe is going to be move and touch it on the surface and get the measurements. So go and click on the accept. So the approach distance is going to be 10 millimeters, search distance is going to be 10 millimeters, rotate distance is going to be 10. You can set up these things later, but right now just go and click on the calculate option. There's no such other things to be discussed. Just go and select the calculate option, and you will find out that the tool path has been created, which we can able to find out and inspect our model. So how it's going to be happen? Just go and click on the simulation, select the surface inspection strategy, make sure that the piece feeds flow, and you can see that it's going to touch it over here. And it's going to be touch it like that way. And it's going to be reflected over here. Then go back, touch it on this side. It's going to take on the other side as well. That's what we call the surface inspection strategy. And it totally works on the points and curves using the pattern. You see over here, the Explorer shows that it's work with the pattern. So you can customize your pattern as well according to your needs, which you can able to inspect the surface. You can also inspect the curves as well. So I have just increased the speed. And the data is going to be uploaded in the CMM machine. Okay. That's it, what we call the surface inspection strategy. So I hope you understand the surface inspection strategy, how we can check out the surface. So that's it for the module number 6, and that's it for the surface inspection strategy. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.